I do hope this video has everybody watching it doing well, being prosperous, and healthy. Well, let's get right on to it. I bought this chainsaw about 22 years ago. Over the years, I've used it here and there, and it's always been pretty reliable. It's a Craftsman 16-inch, and I actually enjoyed it. But more recently, it's been getting harder and harder to start when cold, and it really didn't run very good when it was warmed up. So what I did was, this year when I went to go start it up, a couple of the gas lines, fuel lines were totally messed up. So I went ahead and I replaced the fuel lines, and it would start. It would run a little bit with some of this stuff, but just never quite stayed running. So I was like, okay, I gotta probably rebuild the carburetor, which is no big deal, but I just don't want to mess with it, you know. Might be a good project for somebody. So I got extra fuel lines here that came with these kits that I bought, and I'm gonna go ahead and just sell it on Craigslist for 25 bucks. Let's see if somebody wants it. I have a whole bunch of chains. There's a chain there, chain up there, a couple chains in there. I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen it up and sell it with them. So yeah, for 25 bucks it'd be a good deal. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I went out and bought another chainsaw. Now keep in mind, I'm a homeowner. I don't need the latest style chainsaw. I just need something that's gonna get me through, take care of what little bit I need. So I came across this deal online. I actually found it on Kmart.com. And you know, Kmart and Sears are affiliated. I actually went on Sears.com to try and see what they had in the stores, and everything I was looking for was I had to go to a town that was like 30 miles over to go pick it up, one of these Sears hometown stores. I have a Sears in town here, and it just didn't seem like I wanted to go ahead and do that, especially when I can get free shipping. So anyways, I just happened to go on Kmart.com, and knowing that they sell Sears products, I found this. It's an 18-inch Craftsman, the other one's a 16-inch. Found this, and I'm telling you, it's got the bigger engine, because there's a couple of 18-inchers. There's one with a 40cc engine, 43cc engine, something like that, which is considered medium duty. But this one's a heavy-duty engine because of the bigger engine. Gas and oil mix, which everything. It comes with a case with it, which we'll get into that in just a minute. And also, it has a bonus chain, which I thought was pretty cool, since chains are about $23, $24 probably. Didn't price them out, but I kind of figured that's probably what they are. So, got an 18-inch gas chainsaw from Craftsman, and they had it in stock at my local Sears. Now I just don't know why they don't let you find this stuff online, because according to online, I would have to go out to the Sears hometown store 30 miles away to get something similar to this with a smaller engine, and they had it right here in town all along. So I went over there and I picked this up. Now I'm kind of glad I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and go open this up, and oh, you probably want to see the outside of the box, right? Okay, this is gonna be an unboxing. Craftsman Chainsaw, there we go. Stock number 71380 This is some emissions data. I'm not even going to read all that stuff off. 18-inch chainsaw, Craftsman. Here, let's read that real fast. Go ahead and freeze frame if you want to continue reading it. There's the front of it. Got a nice little case to it. Oh, look at that. The Craftsman Club. Woo! I already am a member. Okay, come back around here. A lot of people complain about Craftsman tools because they supposedly are made overseas. I'm telling you, I don't have any problem with them. I've always used them. And price versus use, I don't see any difference. Yeah, there's some more of that. That's about it. Oh, okay, we got a little bit more back here. And let me reset the camera. We'll do an unboxing here. I'll be right back. Okay, let's get going on this. Let's see how we gotta do this. That. There. And yes, just lift this up. I hope all this weight is down. Case. Man, this thing's freaking heavy. Okay, that's that. Now we got a couple of these here. Okay. Move the starting fluid. Okay, now we can open. Let me see if you're in frame. Sure are. Yeah. Okay. Let's start with this. We got some first time startup instructions. Nice little handy dandy packages of stuff. A nice bag. Owner's manual. Oh, okay, this is model number 316. Model number 316 380 190. Safety, assembly, operation, and maintenance. Also, Espanol, starting page 31. There's a fast guide. And let's see, what else? Old fuel can harm your engine. You all know that, right? Always stabilize. And then this, bunch of California bullshit. Thank you, California. There should be a warranty card here somewhere. I would think. Maybe it's inside. Maybe it's inside, maybe not. Well, no warranty card there. I'll check elsewhere. Also in the bag, you get your handy dandy little chainsaw thing. I forgot what this is called. There's actually a name for this. I'll remember what it is before I sign off. Now, here's the extra chain. Oregon chain. The chain number, if you're interested, is 20 BPX 072X. Oregon chain. You need to cross-reference that. Okay, and there's some 2-cycle oil. and then the chainsaw. Really quite simple. Tear this off. Oh, the snowflakes right now are going, oh no, he's using a razor. Yeah, get over it. Wrap it back up for safety. Okay, the handle, I'll tell you right now, this handle feels nice. Although you'd probably be working with the glove, but that feels nice. The unit itself is not that heavy. Most of the weight probably was coming from the case. Of course, you have your starter. There's a lock here too. Should be a lock. No, this one doesn't lock. The other one locked. That's a lockout though for your palm. Off. Choke button's over here. Choke button's over here. And you have your fuel primer or primer bulb. Adjustments for your carburetor are right here. No, they're not right there. Probably under the cover. I would guess that they're under the cover, so let's see. Hey. Sure don't want you to get at this thing, do they? Huh. Wait a minute. I probably should have looked at the instructions, but hey, that would be too easy. There's your idle adjuster. Little cap that comes off. This is some kind of rubber. And you pull. This also has a brake. This other chainsaw didn't have a brake. 16-inch. It's kind of nice to be able to work with a brake, chain brake. And there should be a chain already on. There it is. Chain already on here. And it also has the spikes too. Spike dog spikes, whatever the hell they're called. So that, all in all, it looks like a pretty good chainsaw. It's a homeowner version, it's not a still, but I'll tell you what, I'll get a lot of time out of this. I got 22 years out of that one. So I'm sure I'll get just as much time out of this one. Oh, by the way, these are made by Poulan. Poulan makes the Craftsman brand. So just so you know, as a reference. So if you basically you're buying a Poulan chainsaw here, a lot less than what you would pay for a Poulan. Same thing with the old one that's 22 years old. That was a Poulan too. But they put the Craftsman brand name on it. For $179, I can't go wrong with this. I think it's going to serve me well. Let me go ahead and gas her up, get it started. Now for the first load of fuel, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and use the fuel from the other chainsaw. Since it was freshly mixed up, I was I'll take that and pour it into here. Let's see if I can do that without getting everything off fuel. Delish. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Success. I can tell you right now, this gas tank holds more gas than the other one. A little bit of gas is the worst of it. Everything's good to go. And it's chain's tight. It says adjust chain after 15 minutes of use. I'm telling you right now, that shit's freaking tight. You just saw me making a chain adjustment. How hard was that, huh? Chain brake works, which is good. I'm not going to use any oil right now. That's going to start it up for a sec, so I'm just going to go ahead and use some WD-40. A little bit of a move. Okay, let's see how hard it is to start this thing. Hit the fuel bulb a couple times, we got gas. Get the chain brakes off. Got the choke on. Push the run position. Okay, should run, right? Okay, let's see if it starts one time.